Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a character tall on Scratch. So first, go to the costumes tab. Like for me, I just duplicated. Oops. Okay, so then select all and make it tall. See? That's how you make a character tall. Yeah, but I'm just only getting started. Yeah, we're just only getting started. Yeah. First, pick any spread you like. I'll choose I just chose Pico. Okay. Now I'm gonna flip him horizontal, and then make it tall. I'll show you how to make a game on at the next video. So, anyways, I'm just gonna code. If you want to code, that's fine. That's fine by me. Now choose a backdrop. Choose anyone you like. Up a galaxy. Now I'm gonna delete that one. So I'll have it wait 8 seconds. I'll have it wait 8 seconds. I'll set it to a voice of 10. I'll set it to a voice of tenor, and then you can say hello, Pico. Now for the next one, I'll have it wait 10 seconds, and I will make it say hello, Scratch cat. Then another sprite. Like I said, choose anyone you like. I'll pick the Earth. No. Make it equal to x0 and y0. 1 second now. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. I'll just
Yeah, but it doesn't mean anything.
do a wall. I think it accidentally erased it. That's not supposed to happen. Okay. I'll make it like I did last time. I'll make it say hello, Pico. Backdrop switch to galaxy. Alright, then choose another backdrop. I will pick the colorful. Like I said, choose anyone you like. I'll pick the colorful city. One thing I like about doing that about Scratch is that I get to copy all when I get something on Scratch add-ons and just paste it. Now I'll have it say 2005. In 2005, a day before a week before Hurricane Katrina. But like I honestly don't know when Hurricane Katrina started. Like so I'm just going. But I know it's a hurricane. Yeah, but have learned about. I have back in my 4th grade. I have read a book of I Survived Hurricane Katrina in 2005. If you have that book, tell me in the comments. Comment down below. Tell me in the comments if you have the book or not. Two friends. Anyways, let's continue. Two friends were chatting. Looks. I'll switch it back to Galaxy. Oh, I forgot to hide it. Copy all. Paste. Oh wait. All right. Let's try it. Oh wait, I forgot the next backdrop. Next, switch backdrop to Coco City. Okay, there. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh wait. I'll fix that here. There. Well, that was weird. Because that was weird. What was that voice? It had a robot voice. Weird. Because there's no robot voice in Scratch and text to speech. Okay. And that is how you make a character tall on Scratch.